Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, nicest I've ever seen, 1999 Cadillac Eldorado. Got Ed here, owner of many years, going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Ed? Okay. Yeah, what a nice car. Okay. Black, loaded. He's got the original window sticker. Purchased it from the original owner, who subsequently passed away. The sticker on this car was a little over $42,000. I think he checked every box. Chrome wheels, leather interior, convenience group, everything. And the good part about this, the head gasket has been attended to. It's a $4,500 job. You can take the motor apart and replace the sleeves and remedy that problem. And it's beautiful. Always garage kept?
Yes.
How long have you owned it?
About 5 years.
5 years. I've hardly driven it.
Hardly.
I remember these cars back in the day. They were just the bomb. Finished in black, chrome wheels. In exceptional condition. You really don't see them black either, which is kind of rare. They always like black shale, you know, black tan. Rubber floor mats on the floor, since brand new. I don't think anyone's ever stepped on the original floor mats, or the carpet for that matter. Gorgeous, super straight body. Always garaged, serviced at a local Cadillac dealer in Sorrent. Got a beautiful hand-painted pinstripe on it. Complements the black very nicely. I love the soft close trunk on these. So Cadillac. Beautiful original paint. Came very well appointed. Get a waft of fresh leather as you open the door. $74,058 miles. Power, everything. Eldorado embossed on the door. Air's blowing nice and cold. It's 87 degrees here today. Here's the original window sticker. Here's a slew of maintenance that he's done on this. $47,000 window sticker. Looks like they checked every box too. Original floor mats, beautiful. Got both keys, both remotes. Including the gold key. It's pretty neat. back seat's ever been sat in. Daylight mirror. Beautiful trunk. Auto close trunk. There she is, Northstar. Head gasket's been done. Don't need to worry about that anymore. Ed, can we go for a quick ride? Man, what a car. Sounds like a Cadillac.
Yes.
Daylight mirror with a compass. Heated seats too, which are an option. It's part of that convenience package. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.